Hey you guys, this is Ken the Don and I'm with my COOD here. We're coming to visit the Conservatory here in Baltimore, Maryland, right in the middle of Drew Hill Park. So come on and join us for the journey today.
I have huge respect for this thing.
Here. This is how Venus, this is what I was just telling everybody. You see how they are?
Oh, I didn't know
to
the
grow in
Venus
the water. If they don't sit in water, they're boggy. They need it.
That makes taking care of very easily. I love the stone pot. I really
And look at the these are I think green barrel ones. What are they called? Pitcher Venus or something like that. I'll look it up.
Same. Cool. New to me.
Oh, look at all the orchids. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And then, oh, I want one of these right here. This is a leg one. That is so cool. Orchids are my favorite flowers, and this is just so beautiful. I'm so jealous. I love tropical. See how serene it is?
I always see the plants of these in Lowe's. I know.
Oh, I have those. I used to have those. They're smaller. You know exactly what that is.
I don't
one
know.
of the money plants, money trees.
Oh, it's one of that family?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
That's so cool.
It's nice to see them like in their natural habitat.
Really got bananas going on. Beautiful.
Cleaner in here.
Definitely does. Look at the ginger. Oh my gosh, Andre. I want to grow a type of these. So there's this velvet ginger, but there's a different type where get it nice and wet and moist and can make it natural. So
This right here.
yeah, it's like these are a lot more bigger and you can, like right now these look like they're flowering. So but yeah, that is so cool.
So majestic. Really pretty.
I don't know if we can touch them, so it's conservative.
Yeah. Lady palm.
Yeah, I like how the different variations of palm trees. And the peace lilies.
Nice. I've never seen them either. I've never seen that.
That's so beautiful.
And have really good habitat.
Yeah, that's funny. I love how those look. Nice. Palm house. You can come back out. Orchids. I'm in love with all of these orchids. Really. Yeah, dates are one of the first agricultural plants that we found to be beneficial for ourselves, but they come from palm.
Oh.
That's so cool. I don't know if anybody heard any of that. Is this a lemon tree?
It looks like some type of citrus or.
I think this is a citrus. Let me keep this mic on me.
Yeah, it looks like some type of citrus.
Look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool.
I love the stonework.
It's so nice. I'm loving how all of these trees in here look. And the ground cover, look at that. So beautiful. It's giving me so many ideas for things, especially like my eucalyptus.
Yes, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. I'm saying.
Oh, look at that in there. That's so beautiful. I'm going to check this out, see what this is.
Okay.
That is so beautiful. I want like something like this, tropical in the middle of my house. That way it keeps the air regulated, keeps the stay nice and cool.
I love this palm tree. Bro, you can make a shelter with this one.
Okay.
I'm so serious. Like this, really, man.
That's probably what they be doing on the shows.
Yeah. Like you can just like layer it. Yeah, I can see
look
that.
at that fern wall. That is so creative.
Oh, that is tight. Got the moss wall and everything. Got air plants. Got ferns.
Yes, that's so creative.
Some grasses. Very, very groovy. And you got just like this nice sea rock right here, bro.
Oh yeah, with like, the air plants and succulents.
What's this? Catabella?
I forget.
Something like that.
I used to have one.
Something like that.
I used to have one. It's beautiful. These are calla lilies. This is what I have planted out back, so I'm excited for those.
What are these again?
Calla lilies.
Oh, okay. Oh, these are calla lilies.
Yeah, I believe so. I could be wrong, but they got a little dingy over here, so let's see. I'm wrong. What is that? It's called fire flags, but they look the same as the calla lily, honestly.
Say it again.
I think it's fire frog, fire flag. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, these definitely sound like a pond landscape type of thing.
Oh, this is really.
Oh, look at these big birds of prey.
Oh, these ones look like Shrek ears. Yeah. Shrek ears.
I love this.
Be careful of this guy.
Oh, look at the dragon fruit.
Oh,
they got dragon fruit in here. Yeah.
Oh, the dragon fruit.
Yeah. I like dragon fruit.
Okay, that's okay.
I just hate how hearing you chew stuff makes me want to kill. That's all.
Are we recording?
Yeah, I am recording. That's so cool. That is so cool. Oh yeah, that is so cool. Look at that. And these are prickly pears, I think. The cactus. Is that this? You can actually, if I'm correct, on prickly pears, you can eat the fruits. These probably look like they're about to flower now.
Oh yeah. There's little parts right here.
I have this at the house. I have one. Somebody gave me one, so I have one. But this is so cool. All these cactus. Or cacti, not cactus. That's ghetto. Very ghetto of me.
That's too Western.
That part. Yo, she hilarious.
Just everybody resume.
Right? If it's not you, don't worry about it.
There's like a fake scorpion up there.
Oh,
like right there.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Look how abstract this one is. Oh, look at that. It's agave. Andres and agave.
Oh.
That is hilarious.
Very different from what I thought it would look like.
Oh, that is so cool.
Who's actually good enough for that? The parlor bomb inside of here on the moss.
Yes, I did not see this at first, so that is so cool.
Yeah, we came in from the other way. We went around.
Oh, look like they're ready to eat.
That's tight. A lot of tropical plants are water plants in a way.
In a way, because the rainforest and such.
I like that.
So they're used to the bogginess.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Well, What's up, you guys? So this is Ken the Dawn. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm out here in the greenhouse eating some cookies. But thank you for tuning into this video. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to do some tours for the summer.
You and Jalen and whoever else wanted to do.
No, this is elevated. We have to change it up. So this is a different angle. I don't know how I like this, just because it looks like we're at a long table. But and the sun's in my eyes, so it's making my eyes look droopy. I can't, like, my face is squint. I hope the mic's on. Right? It says green right there at the bottom, so we should be good.
Okay, so.
All right. So, like, basically we do like an intro. Start it off, and then you can finish it out and be like, you know, come on in. Or something like that, join us. About to go in, or, you know, come up with a phrase, a corny phrase. Back up, son. You back up. Okay. You're not at the end. Stop leaning back like you're in a car.